What exactly are you paying for when the spindle starts? In 2026, understanding CNC hourly rates is the difference between a high-margin project and a budgetary failure. The cost breakdown. We're moving beyond the price black box. From $40 for basic 3-axis milling to $120 plus for complex 5-axis aerospace tasks. The hourly rate is a reflection of machine rigidity and engineering fidelity. AI-driven optimization. Why pay for 10 hours when AI-optimized toolpaths can do it in 6? At else. We utilize generative algorithms to slash cycle times, reducing your effective hourly cost without compromising tolerance. Hidden costs of cheap. A $30 rate is expensive if your parts arrive out of spec. Our plus or minus 0.005 mm baseline and 24 hours technical support eliminate the hidden overhead of reworks and communication drift. The regional reality. While local US-EU rates climb, our integrated industrial cluster in China maintains a high velocity, high efficiency rate of $35, $45 for premium 5-axis work. Is your current quote optimized? Don't just pay audit. Send your step files for a 24 hours technical cost audit. Secure your margin with LS Manufacturing.